Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Suhag from Rohtak, Haryana. I appeared for CAT in 2022 and secured 98.94 percentile in LRDI section. My academic journey includes graduation from Kirodimal College, Delhi University, and currently I am pursuing MBA in Hospital and Healthcare Management from Indian Institute of Management, Bodh Gaya.
What strategies did you adopt to crack the DLR section in CAT?
To crack the DLR section, I adopted a systematic approach. I began by understanding the type of question asked in this section. Then I start practicing and analyzing my mock text score. I also focused on time management to ensure that I didn't spend too much time on a single set.
How many sets did you solve per day?
The number of sets I solved per day varied based on my preparation phase. During the initial stages, I concentrated on understanding the concept, so I may have worked on single set thoroughly. As I progressed, I aimed to solve at least 2-3 sets per day to improve my speed.
Sometimes the questions in DLR are lengthy. In that case, how much time should be devoted to each set during the exam?
When dealing with the lengthy questions in the DLR section, time management is crucial. I allotted around 15 to 20 minutes per set, making sure to not stuck on a single set for too long. If I found a set particularly time consuming, I quickly move on to next set and come back if time allowed.
How to select the right set of questions in the DLR section during the CAT exam?
Selecting the right set of questions is essential in CAT's DLR section. I always begin by quickly scanning all the set to identify the one that seem to be manageable and less time consuming. Once I had a rough idea, I start solving the question I am more confident and comfortable in solving.
Are sectional mocks important? If yes, how many mock tests should be attempted weekly?
Sectional mocks are indeed important to assess your performance and improve your weak areas. I aim to attempt at least 1 to sectional mocks every week during my CAT preparation. These mocks help me identify my strength and weakness in the DLR section and allow me to change my strategies.
Could you share some tips and tricks that helped you solve the questions effectively?
Effective tips and tricks for DLR section includes learning shortcut for calculation, developing a clear understanding of different chart types and data presentation methods, practicing Venn diagram for logical reasoning problem, learning to quickly identify irrelevant data in a question. To all the CAT 2023 aspirants, I wish you all the best for your upcoming exam.